Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can apply a template to an existing Microsoft Word document. Very super quick and easy. So let's get started. Start by opening up your existing Word document. Type in Word and open it up on your screen. And you can find the Word file where we want to apply up the new template. So for example, let's say this is a Word file I would like to apply up the template. And once you open it up, at the top, you can look out for the design option and select it. This one right here. After you select design, this is where all the theme, style, and the templates tools are located. So what you may do is go ahead and apply a document template. So there are two ways depending on what you want. Method number one is applying up a theme. So if you only want to apply the visual look, color, fonts, or design, inside the design, look out for the themes option here. And from here, you can choose any of the pre-made themes from the list. So there are a bunch of themes available. You can look out for the one that you prefer. For example, this, and just go over and apply up the changes on your screen. So let me just show you one. You may just go over and apply the changes, and you should be finding the changes being right. They're being applied. You can just go over and do so where it instantly applies the style to your document. It is great for color settings and font styles and page layout feel. Apart from that, you can attach your full template. So open up the template's attachment options, go to the file option in the top and select it. And look out for the options and click on it. Once you click on it, go to the add-in section. And within add-in, go to this manage section right here and expand this right here and select the option of templates. And click on go, and then just go over and click on this attach file right here, and you may just go over and select up your .m or another file. So just go over and attach your .x file. After that is done, click on open once you do so, and also check this option right here, automatically update document styles, and click on OK. After that is done, you should be finding the changes being applied. Right now I have a plain document, so it's not applying, but this is how you basically do it. And if the style does not update, you can go to the homes and look out for the styles and just go over and make up the changes. For example, this right here and something like heading 2, and just go over and apply up the changes onto your document. And that is it. That is how we apply up a template to an existing Word document. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.